Here we go. Here we go. Hello, Larry. Is this Hello, Larry? Is he ready for the Rolling Thunder? What are you gonna do about that? You know what? I actually think Rolling Thunder would work better if I had the thing to pull them out of the air. Because they always want to jump in those situations, you know? Oh, ooh, the Opti. Okay, Hello, Larry. Hold up. You're taking the damage, though. What are you doing? Oh, fuck. Alright, we're gonna take that, and I think we got the round. Stuart, Kenneth, and Lailson, thanks for the likes, guys. Oh, okay, yeah, we got him, we got him, we got him.
Round 2, fight.
Hold up. You're gonna go right in that Thunder. Yeah, yeah, get him. Get him, Thunder. Oh, fuck. Was that not it? Oh, fuck. Yo, the Thunder. Yeah, pull this Thunder. Get that Thunder. Look at that, 14%. Oh yeah, what are you gonna do? Taking all that Thunder damage. Oh, look at all the Thunder damage he's taking! Oh, hold up! That was good. That was really good. Get out of here. Take that Thunder damage. Hold up, we're getting out of the corner. Yeah, hold up. Oh, he fucking did it. No! Hold up! Yeah! You got the brutal. You got the brutal. Quentin was asking why this variation. It's because Good Sir Jose was given Twinkies for us to play it. But we actually played it pretty well with there. You see how much damage he was taking because of this Thunder that was rolling? Uh-oh. Ben with the like, thank you, Ben. Oh my god. Uh-oh. Ah! Uh-oh. Okay. No. No. No.
I hope you like pain.
Round 2, fight.
Oh. All right. Yo, the Thunder, the Thunder, the Thunder! Come on, I tried to down to his ass. This guy's randomly good. No. Mercy? Wow. All that? Okay, friendship. That's fine. It's fine. What up, Abyss? How you doing, man? Jamarcus and Ben, thanks for dropping those likes out here, guys. I appreciate it. With this variation, we did pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, look at the pressure. Look at that. Ooh! Ooh! The pressure! Dude, okay, that was sick. That was sick. That was sick. That was sick. Oh, fuck. Oh, come on. Alright, let's get some thunder rolling. Fuck. Okay. Yeah, that was pretty good, man. Yeah, I kind of like when the rolling thunder works. It's nice. Honestly, when it works, it's nice. It feels good. No, no, my thunder! Come back! What the fuck? No, it was too obvious. It was too obvious. It was too obvious. I was too obvious! Okay. Okay. Is that a high? Is this move a high? It says it's a mid, but it definitely acts like a high. Yeah. Woo! No! I got red! Hold up. Hold up. Rolling thunder. Jump. Get hit. Yeah. We're gonna see if we can get the brute again. Yeah! Give me that. Give me that shit again. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Point has been proven. Point has been proven. We got that brute twice. You guys have probably never seen it in your life because I know I haven't. GG's.